Realtek audio driver. Realtek audio is a mess. How to fix it? If you're experiencing audio on your computer, it can be frustrating. Realtek is one of the most common audio drivers on Windows, and problems can range from no sound, distorted audio, or missing features. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix Realtek audio problems. 1. Check basic audio settings, volume and mute. Make sure your system volume is turned up and not muted. Check both the taskbar and the Realtek HD Audio Manager, if installed, for volume controls. Default Playback Device. Right-click the speaker icon in the system tray, select Open Sound Settings, and make sure the correct playback device, example your speakers or headphones, is selected as the default. 2. Update Realtek audio drivers. Updating the drivers often solves compatibility issues and improves audio performance. Device Manager. 1. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. 2. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. 3. Right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio and select Update Driver. 4. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. If Windows doesn't find a new driver, you can manually download it from the Realtek website or your computer manufacturer's support page. Manufacturer's website. Go to your computer or motherboard manufacturer's website, search for your specific model, and download the latest Realtek audio driver. 3. Uninstall and reinstall Realtek audio drivers. Sometimes, uninstalling the drivers completely and then reinstalling them can resolve deeper conflicts. 1. Uninstall the driver. Go to Device Manager again. Right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio and select Uninstall Device. Check the option Delete the driver software for this device, if available, and click Uninstall. 2. Restart your computer. This allows Windows to reinstall the default drivers. You can then install the updated driver manually, if needed. 3. Install the latest driver. Download and install the latest driver from the Realtek or manufacturer's website. 4. Use the Windows Troubleshooter. Run Audio Troubleshooter. 1. Go to Settings, Update and Security Troubleshoot. 2. Click on Additional Troubleshooters and select Playing Audio. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to let Windows automatically find and fix audio issues. 5. Disable audio enhancements. Sometimes audio enhancements can cause issues with Realtek audio drivers. 1. Disable enhancements. Right-click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Open Sound Settings. Click on Device Properties under your output device, then Additional Device Properties. Go to the Enhancements tab and check Disable All Enhancements. Click Apply and then OK. 6. Check for Windows updates. Ensure your system is fully updated as Windows updates often include bug fixes for audio issues. Update Windows. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update and check for updates. 7. Restart audio services. Sometimes the audio service might not be running correctly. 1. Restart Windows audio services. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down to Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Right-click each one, select Restart. 8. Check audio formats. Sometimes, changing the audio format can fix audio issues. 1. Change default audio format. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Open Sound Settings. Under Output, click on Device Properties and then Additional Device Properties. Go to the Advanced tab. Try changing the default format, example from 24-bit, 48,000 Hz to 16-bit, 44,100 Hz, and see if the issue persists. 9. Disable Microsoft UAA bus driver for high-definition audio. Sometimes, the Microsoft UAA driver conflicts with Realtek drivers. 1. Disable UAA driver, open Device Manager. Expand System Devices. Right-click on Microsoft UAA bus driver for high-definition audio and select Disable Device. Restart your computer and check if Realtek audio works correctly. 10. Use an alternative driver. If Realtek drivers continue to cause problems, you might consider using the generic audio driver provided by Windows. 1. Use generic audio driver. Go to Device Manager. Right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select High Definition Audio Device instead of Realtek and install it. 11. Check physical connections. Finally, ensure all your physical connections are secure, cables and ports. Check if your speakers or headphones are properly plugged into the correct audio port. Sometimes, a loose cable or wrong port can cause issues. 12. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, consider contacting your computer or motherboard manufacturer support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Realtek audio issues.